What's up guys, Turbo here again with another interesting review of a cassette recorder. Let's say in this opportunity this is the Sony Sports radio cassette recorder CFM-104. Now this is the front part of the thing, because I am in the process of changing the belts. Now I wanna show you guys, these are the new belts by the way. I want to show you guys how difficult it is to work on this mechanism. I've never seen one mechanism like this before. It's made out of entirely, the majority of its part, it's made out of plastic. So we need to be really careful here, and because if we break something, we're not going to be able to repair it. Right here is the record play buttons. Right now is supposedly it is recording. And that is the stop right there. This is the pause, and right here is the eject. This is the play, by the way. This is the rewind and fast forward. This is the tape head right there. The best thing of all this is that you can remove the actual mechanism, because it has this type of connectors which makes easier to service it. However, this mechanism, you need to be extremely care while servicing it or changing the belt. You might be noticing that this unit doesn't have a motor. That is because the motor is right here. So what you actually do in order to change the belts, you remove the motor and this plate right here. There are some plastic tabs in which you lift this thing. Let me check here if we can do this. Well, anyway, yes, but you remove this you remove this thing pretty much, and it will be easier for you to change the belts. Right here is the capstan flywheel. It is moving right there, as you can see. And unfortunately I purchased this radio cassette recorder because I thought it might be an AC bias, but actually it's a DC bias. As you can see there, the array of capacitors right there is letting you know that this is a DC bias recorder. This one runs out of the LA 4160 integrated circuit, preamplifier and everything like that. And the coil that you can see right there, right next to the big capacitor, it's a coil that it's meant to be for the power, because it's coming from this thing that my shadow is pointing here, right here. This is the 6 volts power supply, so that's part of the power supply of the thing. It's not for the bias coil of the recording, so that is, unfortunately and sadly, this is a DC bias recorder. Right here we have the radio section, which is connected with the wonderful connectors that Sony made to service these things really quick. And also you can change if something is not working with the radio section. You can pretty much purchase one from another recorder like this one, and you can change in the radio section or the power / recording / everything else section. Yes, pretty much. It's a really nice design coming from Sony, but too bad this is a DC bias recorder. I'm going to be changing the belt right now, and I'm going to be recording another video about the how it looks and how it sounds when it's finished. So stay tuned.